Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today's story is called A Little Love. It's about a traveler named Anna and a kind local man named Ken. They meet by chance in a small town at a quiet cafe filled with warm sunlight. As they spend time together, they discover the beauty of simple things, and maybe something a little like love. In this channel, I speak slowly and simply, so even beginners can understand easily. You can listen while commuting, doing housework, or just relaxing. Now let's begin today's story, A Little Love.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Oh, yes, please sit down.
Thank you. It's a nice cafe. The smell of coffee is so good.
Yeah, this place is famous in this town. The owner roasts the coffee beans here.
Wow, really? That's cool. I travel a lot, but I think this cafe feels special.
You travel a lot? That's amazing. Are you here on vacation?
Yes, just for a few days. I love visiting small towns like this. They're quiet and relaxing.
I can see that. Big cities can be too noisy sometimes.
Exactly. Oh, by the way, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
I'm Ken. Nice to meet you too, Anna.
Do you come here often, Ken?
Almost every weekend. It's my favorite place to think or read a book.
That sounds peaceful. Maybe I'll come again tomorrow too.
You should. If you do, maybe I can show you some good places around here.
That would be great. Thank you. I'd love that.
Hi, Anna. You came back to the cafe today.
Yes, I told you I would come again.
I'm happy you did. So, are you ready to see some good places around town?
Yes, I'm so excited. Thank you for doing this.
No problem. I'm happy to show you around. Let's start walking.
Great. Wow, there are so many cute shops here.
Yeah, this street is full of hidden gems.
Hidden gems? What does that mean?
It means small, nice places that many people don't know.
Oh, I see. Like secret spots.
Exactly.
Oh, look at those flowers. They're so colorful.
The shop owner grows them herself. She's been doing it for decades.
That's amazing. Everything here feels personal and full of care.
That's what makes this town special. It's small, but it has a big heart.
I love that. This morning, I went to the old market near the station. The people there were so friendly.
Oh, I know that place. Did you try the local snacks?
Yes, the sweet rice cakes were amazing. I even bought some to take home.
Good choice. That shop has been there for more than 50 years.
Really? Wow. I like towns with history. Every place feels alive.
That's true. Sometimes I forget how beautiful this town is until someone like you reminds me.
That's sweet of you to say.
I mean it. I've lived here all my life, but I rarely look around like this.
Maybe that's why traveling is fun. You see things with new eyes.
Yeah, you're right.
So, where are we going next?
How about the park by the river? The view there is beautiful.
Perfect. Let's go. The air here is so fresh. I feel calm.
Yeah, I come here when I need to think. It helps me relax.
You seem like a thoughtful person, Ken.
Maybe. I just like quiet places.
Me too. In the city, it's hard to find silence.
What kind of city do you live in?
I live in Tokyo. It's exciting, but sometimes too fast.
I see. That's why you like small towns, right?
Exactly. It feels like time moves slower here.
Mm. When I was younger, I wanted to move to the city. But now, I think I'm happy here.
That makes sense. Sometimes peace is more important than excitement.
True.
You know, this place reminds me of my hometown. There was a small lake just like this one.
That's nice. Do you miss it?
A little. But today, I feel like I found a new home away from home.
That's the best thing a traveler can say.
Wow, the sunset is beautiful.
Yeah, it's my favorite view in town.
I understand why. It feels warm, even if the air is cool.
I often come here when I finish work. It helps me forget stress.
That's a good habit. I wish I could watch sunsets like this every day.
Maybe you can. You just have to slow down sometimes.
You sound like a wise teacher.
I'm not wise. I just learned to enjoy small things.
That's something I want to learn too. Life feels better when you notice the little moments.
Exactly. Like coffee in the morning or a walk at sunset.
Or meeting someone kind in a small cafe.
Yeah, like that.
It's so peaceful now. The air feels a little cold, but nice.
Yeah, nights here are quiet. You can even hear your own footsteps.
You're right. It's very different from Tokyo. There, it's never quiet.
I can imagine. Cars, trains, people, all the time.
Exactly. Here, it feels like time stopped for a while.
That's what I like about this town. You can breathe.
You know, I'm really glad I came here.
Yeah?
Yes, I met kind people, saw beautiful places, and met you.
That's nice of you to say. I'm really glad I met you too.
It's strange. I've only been here for a short time, but it already feels special.
Maybe it's because of the people you meet that a place feels special.
Maybe. The stars are so clear tonight. You don't see this in Tokyo.
Yeah, I like looking at them when I walk home. It helps me think
What do you think about?
about simple things, like how lucky I am to live here. and to meet people like you.
You say that so easily.
Maybe, but I mean it.
I think I'll remember this walk for a long time.
Me, Q. Some moments just stay with you.
Yeah, this is one of them.
You're leaving today, right?
Yes, my train leaves in 20 minutes.
Time went so fast, didn't it?
Yes, it feels like I just arrived. But I'm really happy I met you, Ken.
Me too, Anna. I'm glad we talked, walked, and shared coffee together.
Me too.
You should come back someday. There's still a lot to see here.
I'd like that. Maybe sooner than you'd think. I guess that's my train.
Yeah.
I'll come back one day. I promise.
I'll be here. Maybe at the same cafe. Waiting for your order.
Then I'll find you there.
Deal.
Ken, may I give you a hug, to say see you again?
Of course.
Thank you for everything.
Thank you, Anna. Safe travels. See you again.
When I think about that town, I feel warm inside. I remember it at many different times. When I walk, when I rest, even when I smile for no reason. It was a quiet town, but full of life. It was simple, but full of meaning. Sometimes the best moments are not in big cities, but in small places with kind people. Now, when I drink coffee in the morning, I remember that cafe. When I see flowers on the street, I think of that little shop. And when I watch the sunset, I remember our walk on the bridge. But more than anything, meeting him, meeting Ken, was the best memory of all. Today, I'm going back to that town to see those memories again and to tell him what's in my heart.
How was the story? Today, we followed Anna, a traveler who met a kind man in a quiet town. Together, they shared small moments like walking, talking, and watching the sunset. And in those simple moments, they found warmth, peace, and a gentle connection. What will happen to them next? No one knows for sure. I'll leave that to your imagination. If you liked this story, please subscribe, leave a comment, and give a like. It helps us create more warm, simple stories for you. See you in the next video.